So we're here at the Doodle Trail in Easley. This is the southern terminus. Over there in that red caboose thing, or whatever that is, container, that's where the bathrooms are. And the trail goes across the street and up the way. So get the bike off and hit the trail. Oh, my butt is sore. All right. So, I don't know if y'all can actually see that or not. So, we are currently down here somewhere. Yeah, right here. So we're just going to ride out that way and just see how far we get before we turn around. So it's 8.5 one way to connect Easley to Pickens. So it's an old railroad. I'll try to put the history in the video, but anyway, we will hit it from end to end, but you need like at least a half day or most of a day to do like out and back, because this, as you can see, we're already going downhill. So this has a good bit of ups and downs, so just know that. It's a fun trail for me. This one, I enjoyed this one more than Swamp Rabbit. We'll show you all the way. And in this beginning part, there's a few road crossings, but it's not terrible. Oh, that's new. Kind of a blind curve here. This is another like parking option if you don't want to start where I started at the top, at the head of it, is you can park right there. So it's like it's off Rice Road. Oh. Stop in the Dollar General. I wasn't here the last time I rode on this trail. It's always interesting to see how trails change. So I think I'm like 3.5 miles or something from Pickens. So to this point we've done 5.3 miles. So yeah, we got like 3 miles to Pickens. So I'm standing here trying to decide if I want to keep going, because when we've done that in like 42 minutes. But I don't know. It's 100 degrees. It's hot. It's 100 degrees. I think it was like actually 99 in the car, like according to the car when we pulled up. So I'm just kind of afraid of like getting heat exhaustion. So I think I'm just going to turn around here, because that's still like a 10-mile ride, and it just gives us more opportunity just to enjoy the ride instead of trying to, you know, overdo it. So we will turn around here. And we'll save the whole trail for another day. But I mean, it's just really pretty, especially once you get back in here and you don't have as many road crossings, and it's just nice in the shade. See you guys. Alright, so this is after I turned around at 5.91. There's this, whatever this is, I really don't know. There's no signage or anything saying like what it was. I don't know if it was part of like the train or something. But I mean, it's pretty cool, a little remnant of history. I just don't know what the history is. But it's pretty neat. So right here at about 7.4 is the Rotary Park. So as you can see, they've got some tools and stuff if you need to work on your bike. They've got an air pump and like these things, I guess, to hang your bike off of. Nice little park bench, some bike racks. And then they got the signboard. So I don't know where exactly we were earlier. I think we were here. And so we've come back this way, so we're here. So we just got this last little bit to here. I might see how I'm feeling, and I might just go ahead and ride the rest of this, but there's really nothing to see on this section from what I remember. But nice little map with all the trail rules. I think it's pretty much like the same map that's up at the start of it. Just talking about the history. But see, they got another park bench. They got water fountains. Let's see if they work. Nope. So the water fountains don't work. I mean, these look new, but they ain't on. So that bites. So definitely bring water, because there's no like water sources between here and Pickens. But nice little picnic shelter and stuff. we get back on the trail. But this is always a nice little place just to rest, because there's a couple more good climbs between now and the parking lot, I believe. Garnishing? Alright, so this is downtown Easley. I don't think I realized that the Doodle Trail actually started in downtown, which you would think they would have a parking lot here instead of where it's at. But this is 11.78, but I rode up there to that light and back. Anyway, so I guess this right here is the start of the Doodle Trail, because you'll start seeing these in the sidewalk and on the road and stuff. It's pretty cool. So anyway, pretty neat. I thought it was pretty neat. Alright, we'll head back to the car, finish out this ride, maybe go get some barbecue. That's it. So we did 12.79, and we'll see y'all on the next one.